Your boy's back, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up your TikTok ads for Shopify Dropshipping in 2024. I'm going to be showing you my exact testing structure and how I take in products like this from zero to upwards of $11,000 per day. And as you can see, I did this in under 28 days with a brand new product. So this testing structure will be able to help you get to $100, $500, even $1,000 a day pretty quickly. I'm going to be diving into my TikTok ads manager and showing you how to set it up step by step so you don't have to watch any more videos out there. Also, this is the best time to start taking TikTok ads seriously. As you can see, TikTok's running this promotion where if you spend $100, you get $100, and it goes up to $1,500 in free ad credits. When I first heard about this, I had to get involved. I actually emailed TikTok and I was able to secure a deal for everyone. So if you use the link in the description, you'll be able to get access to this. So once you get to this page, just press create now and you're good to go. Now, once you set up your account, you should be seeing a dashboard kind of like this. Make sure you press on campaign and then create. And we're going to come over to something that looks like this. This is where we create our TikTok campaign. Literally going to be walking through step by step. So here we go. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tons of Shopify dropshipping and TikTok ads videos coming very soon. So the first thing you want to do is press on website conversions just like this. And we're going to come down here. Now there's a few ways of testing. Either there's something called a CBO or an ABO. With CBOs, you're allowing TikTok to spend the money freely and allowing them to choose the audiences and ad groups that are working the best. Now, if that sounded too technical, let me break it down for you in a simple term. Just click this on. So after you toggle it on, you get to choose your daily budget. Now, if I was just starting out, I usually would do $50, but since I have a bigger budget and I am pretty confident about the specific product that I'm launching right now, I'm just gonna launch it at 100. But for you, you can just go ahead and put 50. After that, we're gonna press continue, and then we're gonna go ahead and select our pixel. Now, if you don't have a pixel here, make sure you press create new. And if you're using Shopify, then it's a really easy setup. I'll link a video down below. So go ahead and press your TikTok pixel, and then we're gonna go and press complete payment since what we want is the sales. After that, we're gonna come down here, we're gonna press select placements. We're going to toggle off everything except TikTok. And then we're going to press advanced settings and we are going to turn off commenting and we're going to turn off video download. Then coming down here, you get to choose your location. Usually I like to do USA, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, but most accounts just allow United States and Canada. So that's what we're going to do. Once you have those two countries selected, let's move on. So here's a little secret. TikTok loves when things are broad. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 18 and up for the age. And then for the gender, we're just going to keep it broad. So we're not going to choose any of them. Now, of course, if your product is just for females, then you can choose females, but many times the products can be sold to male and female. So I'll leave both. Then all of these, we're going to just leave blank and broad. We're going to come down here and then we're going to select for 6 a.m. tomorrow. And then with this, you don't want to touch anything and we're going to press next. Now it's time to upload our creative. So here's the kicker. You can either turn this on or off. If you turn it on, you'll be able to upload all your ads in at once. If you turn it off, then you're going to have to do it one by one. Now for me, I haven't seen such a big difference between turning this on and off, and it happens to be a lot easier if you turn it on. So I'm going to keep it on for this video. Of course, feel free to try it when it's off. And TikTok ads and testing ads in general is all about test. Now let's go ahead and set up these creatives. So coming down here, we're going to type in our store name and then we're going to upload our ads. So let me go ahead and grab my ads and I'll be right back. All right. I just went ahead and uploaded my two ads in there. And we're going to press upload. And just like that, it's going to upload those two creatives. Okay, now for ad text, this is where we can get a little creative. You can do things like buy one, get one today only, or you can say get yours today, or you can say something related to the product. So that is my first ad text. All right, this is my second one. Okay, and then I have those ad texts all ready to go. And then we're going to put in the URL to our website. Now also a little hack for the ad text. What I like to do is go to PP ads and see what other successful stores are doing and how their ads look. So if I see an ad that has a certain type of ad text that works super well, I'll try it for myself. So as you can see, I went to PP ads and I found this product that got 729 million impressions, one of the most viral videos out there. And what I did was I sorted it by impressions. And as you can see, a lot of these ads are using Black Friday sale ends soon, 70% off, Cyber Monday sale ends soon, blah, blah, blah. So what we can do is take these headlines and use it for ourselves. So I'm going to go ahead and copy a few of these ad texts and upload it into our ads. All right, and we come down here, and just like that, we're gonna go ahead and press submit. And even if you have a little yellow sign or whatever, it just means that you haven't got any sales yet. So just ignore that and press submit. All right, and just like that, it's gonna create the ads for us. And congrats, we are good to go. It's gonna bring us back to the dashboard here. All right, as you can see, it says in review. That means they're going to check it. Usually it doesn't take too long. If it's the first time that you launch ads, then maybe it'll take 24 hours or so. And just like that, you can go to the campaign and see the budget. Mine is at 100. Yours might be at 50, whatever you choose it to be. And the coolest part about this is that TikTok's pretty quickly to see results. Now that your TikTok ads have been set up, it's time for the next steps here. So over the next 24 hours, just sit back and relax as TikTok spends your money. Seriously though, don't touch anything and let TikTok find your potential buyers. After 24 hours, one of two things will happen. Either number one, you'll get sales, and when you do get the sales, make sure you screenshot that, post out your Instagram, and tag me at RealSamJacobs so I can repost you and congratulate you for taking action. Or number two, you launch the ads and after 24 hours, you don't get any sales, which could be common for beginners. Don't get discouraged though, because it took me multiple products to find my first winner. But after doing millions of dollars in sales with TikTok ads, I've realized that not only the ads are important, but using the 3-pillar framework is the most important part after all. Making sure you have a qualified product to sell, a really high converting website, and good creatives for your TikTok ads all together will create a winner product. Now, I use this 3-pillar framework to help hundreds of people just like you start and scale their own e-commerce business. And if you need help with this, then what I want to invite you to do is to book a call with the link in the description. On the call, we'll see if you're the right fit to work personally with me and get help. And if you get accepted to work personally with me, not only am I going to show you my exact strategies that made me millions of dollars in sales by age of 22 years old, but I'm also going to be choosing you a potential winner product, building you a high converting store, and adding you to our community of high-level entrepreneurs who are all working on their e-commerce business. This way, you can get support along the way and crush it with Shopify Dropshipping. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the link in the description to book a call to see if it's the right fit. Also, if you haven't seen my recent video on how I helped 100 people get rich with Shopify Dropshipping, I'm gonna leave that in the description as well. It was a banger video. With that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.